All right, 3 lines, 2 balls. So spread your line out a little bit. All right. Defense, just like before, you got to skirmish. In fact, more than ever, you got to skirmish. You got to create indecision just like you did before. Person in the middle, remember, instead of doing this the old-fashioned way and just bringing it right up the middle, the first thing he's going to do is assess who's with me. He's going to look to his left, look to his right. He's going to decide which one of these guys he thinks is his better finisher or his best finisher. Let's say he decides that he thinks Andy is his better finisher. He's going to veer away from Andy and turn this thing into something. Come on, Andy. Turn this thing into something that looks more like the 2-on-1. But hang on, Plus Guy, I'm going to talk about you in just a second. You got the right idea, but stay right there. But let's go back to this guy. When he's right here, what does his mentality have to be if he's going to be good at this? I'm going to get me a 9, and you got to stop me, just like in the 2-on-1. And remember, he's also looking at this guy's what? He's looking at his hands. First option is to get himself a 9. If this guy doesn't stop him from getting a layup, that's exactly what he wants to get. If this guy commits, then he wants to try to get his best finisher a 9, ideally with what kind of a pass? Face high, just like in the 2-on-1. But this is even better than the 2-on-1. Let's say this guy does a really good job of skirmishing, and I can't get a 9, I can't get my best finisher a 9. I've always got my plus guy. Plus guy, you're going to try to get somewhere, probably inside the free throw line, where he's dangerous enough and greedy enough that if I hit him, like you might want to be a little further away from him. Remember, you want to be as far away from this guy and as close to the basket as you can be. You got to find that happy medium somewhere. He wants to get somewhere where if I hit him, he's got about a 7 or an 8, which means he needs to be what kind of a receiver right here? He's got to be greedy. Just like in all the other ones, you get 1 pass max. So you got to be able to catch and shoot that thing just like in shape shooting. All right, so let's back it up. And let's see if these guys can get themselves an 8 or a 9 here, maybe a 7. Let's see if they can do it. Coach Gatlin, whenever you're ready. Good, good, Adrian. Good face-out pass. Way to take it to the score. Pretty good job. Good face-out pass. Good. Defense, you got to skirmish more. You got to be more active. You got to make it more difficult for these guys to make the read. That's good offense. Good face-out pass. So far, they haven't even had to use the plus guy. Come on, defense. Skirmish. Good air. Good air. Count that basket. Good, Adrian.